Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about a topic that many bloggers and SEO beginners are confused about in 2026. That is AEO versus SEO. Some people are saying SEO is dead, others are saying AEO is the future. And many bloggers are wondering why they should stop focusing on SEO and start focusing only on AI search optimization. So in this video, I'm going to explain what SEO is and what AEO is, how search is changing and what bloggers should actually do in 2026. Let's start with SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. For years, SEO has been the main way websites get traffic from search engines. When someone searches for something on Google, websites that are optimized properly have a chance to rank higher and get clicks. Things like keywords, backlinks, technical SEO, page speed, internal linking, content quality, and user experience are all part of SEO. For example, if someone searches for best free SEO tools, Google shows a list of web pages. If your page ranks well, you get traffic. This is the traditional search model that bloggers have been using for years. Now let's talk about AEO. AEO stands for Answer Listen. Instead of simply helping web pages rank, AEO focuses on helping your content become the answer. Today, many people are asking questions directly to AI tools. They might ask, what is SEO? How do I start a blog? What is local SEO? What is the best SEO tool for beginners? Instead of showing 10 blue links, AI systems often provide a direct answer. This is where AEO becomes important. The goal is to create content that AI systems can easily understand, summarize, and use when generating answers. Now, here's where many people become confused. They think AEO is replacing SEO. I don't think that's what's happening. In reality, AEO is building on top of SEO. Think about it this way. Where does AI get information from? It gets information from websites. Without website, blogs, documentation, forums, and publishers, AI systems would have nothing to reference. So websites are still important. Content creators are still important. And SEO is still important. The difference is that search behavior is changing. Years ago, people would type short keywords, for example, SEO tools, blogging tips, local SEO. Now people are asking complete questions, for example, what are the best free SEO tools for beginners? How can I improve my local SEO rankings? Why is my blog getting impressions but no clicks? These longer questions are becoming more common because people are getting comfortable talking to AI. This is the reason why content creators need to think differently. Now let's compare SEO and AEO directly. SEO focuses on rankings, AEO focuses on answers. SEO tries to increase organic traffic, AEO tries to increase visibility inside AI generated responses. SEO often target keywords, AEO often target questions. SEO wants user to click your website, AEO wants your content to become part of the answer. But here something is important. Even if AI gives an answer, you just still need websites for detailed information. Think about it. If you ask AI for the definition of technical SEO, a short answer might be enough. But if you want a complete technical SEO checklist with examples, screenshots, tools, and step-by-step instructions, you are still likely to visit a website. That's why I don't believe websites are disappearing anytime soon. Now let's talk about why some bloggers are struggling. Many bloggers are seeing impression but very few clicks. Maybe you are one of them. Your pages are appearing in search results, but people are not clicking. There can be many reasons. The title may not be attractive. The content may be targeting very competitive keywords. The search intent may not be fully matched, or AI overviews may be answering part of the question before user even click. This is becoming more common. That's why content quality matters more than ever. Simply writing another generic article is no longer enough. If thousands of websites have already written in the same thing, your content needs something different. Maybe your experience, maybe your case study, maybe your mistakes, maybe your errors. Real experiences are becoming more valuable because AI can generate generic information very easily. One thing I would recommend to bloggers in 2026 is to write with more from experience. For example, instead of writing 10 issue tips for beginners, you could write the three mistakes I made during the first 3 years of blogging. That instantly becomes more unique. Another thing bloggers should do is structure content clearly. Use headings, answer question directly, create FAQ post sections, use simple language, avoid unnecessary complexity. The easier your content is to understand, the easier it is for both users and AI systems. Now let's answer the big question. Should you focus on SEO or AEO? My answer is both. If you're building a blog today, you still need SEO fundamentals, you still need keyword research, you still need good content. You still need internal linking, still need technical optimization, but at the same time, you should write content that answer question clearly. Think about what users actually want to know. Think about people ask question AI tools and make your content easy to understand. The future isn't SEO versus AEO. The future is SEO plus AEO. The websites that combine both approaches will likely perform better over the next few years. Before ending this video, I want to share one final thought. Many people are worried about AI. Many bloggers think AI will destroy blogging. I think blogging is changing, not disappearing. The low quality copy paste content may struggle, but websites that provide real value, real experience, and genuine insights still have opportunities. So if you are a blogger, don't panic. Focus on helping people, focus on creating useful content, focus on building authority in your niche, and keep learning because search is evolving every year. That's for all today video. If you find this helpful, let me know through your comments. Do you think AEO will become bigger than SEO or do you think SEO will continue to dominate? Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.